The political fight between the Congress and BJP has clearly got personal. A day after Sushma Swaraj presented a dramatic defense in the Lok Sabha and pleaded innocence on her involvement in the Lalit Khet scandal, Sonia Gandhi today called the foreign minister an expert in theatrics. Her comment prompted the ruling party to take a dig at Congress's dynastic politics. And here, indeed, are some key reactions coming in from top political leaders at the parliament today.
करने में मैं इतना ही कहना चाहूंगी कि देश की संसद में जब कोई भी सांसद वक्तव्य देता है तो वो देश की जनता का भरोसा प्राप्त करके, समर्थन प्राप्त करके उस सदन तक पहुंचता है। उस स्टेटमेंट को थिएट्रिक्स कहना अपने आप में जनता के मैंडेट का अपमान है। 1.5 मिनट का बाइट देना उनके लिए आसान है, 1.5 घंटा बिना किसी कागज के सहारे भाषण देना शायद मुश्किल।
Sushma ji said Sonia ji would have done the same thing. As her son, I will tell Sushma ji that Sonia ji would not have done the same thing. Second thing, whenever there is some stealing that happens, secrecy is maintained by the thief. In this case, Sushma ji has maintained full secrecy. The second thing is, whenever there is a robbery, whenever there is stealing, a financial transfer takes place. There has been a financial transfer here as well. Sushma ji's family has received money from Lalit Modi ji. She should tell the country exactly how much money Lalit Modi ji has paid her family to keep himself out of jail.
Nothing better can be expected of late from Mr. Rahul Gandhi as to the kind of language he is using. But today I will gently remind him that he is there where he is because of his family legacy. Has he forgotten completely the legacy of Jawaharlal Nehru, when as the National Vice President of Congress Party he is making this kind of reckless, malicious and false allegations? I will gently remind Mr. Rahul Gandhi that he must reflect upon the pitiable condition of Congress today, getting a series of electoral reverses. Even then, if he's not realizing, I can only say, God save Congress Party.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.